Why does your scanner show the P0756 engine code? What does it mean? P0756 is a diagnostic trouble code for shift solenoid B performance, or stuck off. It indicates that there has been a problem with shift solenoid B. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Low transmission fluid level, contaminated transmission fluid, faulty shift solenoid, transmission control module malfunction, damaged wiring. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Honda, Nissan, Mercedes, Mazda, Dodge, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.